A doctor is this evening advising women to check their breasts for any abnormality at least once per month. Consultant oncologist Dr. Dingle Spence says this is important as it could be something as serious as breast cancer. TVJ Shamela Mitchell reports.
Health report. Breast cancer is when a woman gets a malignant tumor in her breast. A malignant tumor is when abnormal growth of cells form a lump in the breast. Consultant oncologist Dr. Dingle Spence says breast cancer is the most common type of cancer that affects women.
Difference between a cancerous lump and a benign cyst is that if that cancer remains untreated, it's likely to send seedlings first to the armpit and then possibly to other organs of the body. The lungs, the liver, the bone, the brain are the most common. And once it's spread from the breast to anywhere else, it becomes very difficult to cure it.
Dr. Spence says a woman's chances of getting breast cancer increases with age. Also, if the woman has a mother, sister, or close relative with the cancer, she's also at greater risk.
We now know that obesity, being overweight, having an unhealthy lifestyle, eating lots of processed foods, low vegetable intake, high sugar intake, being physically inactive. We also know that taking the birth control pill for many, many years without a break can cause a risk. We know that having your first child later in life, unfortunately, also confers a risk.
Which is why Dr. Spence is encouraging women to get checked by their doctor as soon as they notice abnormality in their breast.
Any lump that you feel in your breast, whether you're 21 or 71, get it checked out, because if it's early, that's when we can really take care of you and get rid of it. If you sit there and watch it, and it's cancer, then that's when the problem starts. So most lumps in the breast are not cancer. I think it's important to say that. But we can never tell until a little piece of that lump has been taken out, or the whole lump itself has been taken out and looked at in the lab, and then we know what we're dealing with.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Mitchell wishing you good health. Health report.